Welcome to today's video where we'll be tackling the topic of predictive maintenance plans. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. We're going to explore why it's crucial to have a solid equipment maintenance program and how to avoid unnecessary costs, damage to assets, and risks to your team. We'll also highlight the benefits of predictive maintenance and guide you on how to implement it in your own operations. So let's take a journey into improving your maintenance strategies. How effective is your equipment maintenance program? Are you relying on old asset manuals, seasonal schedules, run times, or anecdotal knowledge? If so, you might be missing essential data on your equipment usage, environment, and processes. Without this information, your maintenance program might be wasting resources, damaging expensive assets, causing costly downtime, and even putting your team at risk. So, what's the solution? It's a predictive maintenance plan, or PDM. Predictive maintenance is a data-driven maintenance practice that monitors and analyzes an asset's performance, status, and overall health in real time. It's a type of condition-based maintenance that collects measurements on a piece of equipment's condition, like pressure, temperature, or vibration, through sensor devices. A manufacturing facility that uses predictive maintenance knows when its assets require maintenance, preventing critical issues. Equipment failures can cause delays, significant repairs, product defects, and unhappy customers, all of which come with high costs. While some facilities might try to address these issues with a preventive maintenance program, predictive maintenance is the most effective and advanced maintenance program available. It eliminates guesswork and unnecessary maintenance while simultaneously spotting new or unexpected issues before they cause failures and downtime. In predictive maintenance, data is at the center of all activities. You'll first establish conditional baselines for your assets, serving as your control values. You'll use these baselines for comparison once you install sensors and start collecting real-time data on your equipment's performance. Continuously collecting and evaluating real-time sensor data will ensure you receive alerts whenever your equipment deviates from the established control value, triggering your predictive maintenance protocol through your software. This system empowers your team to resolve issues as quickly as they occur. There are numerous forms of sensor data that you may rely on depending on your industry and equipment. Here are 3 of the most critical data sources for establishing a predictive maintenance practice. First, there's vibration analysis. This is a critical element of predictive maintenance for manufacturing facilities with high-speed machinery. It's an affordable way to detect issues like looseness, imbalance, misalignment, and bearing wear. Next, we have infrared analysis. This measures temperature and is a simple and low-cost way to prevent problems. It can identify issues related to cooling, airflow, and even motor stress. Lastly, there's sonic acoustical analysis. This is similar to vibration analysis, but it focuses more on sound versus motion. It monitors vibrations at specific frequencies, recording data for monitoring and analysis. This helps spot lubrication issues that technicians can then proactively address. One of the most significant advantages of a predictive maintenance program is a decrease in downtime. Downtime is expensive, costing industrial manufacturers up to $50 billion annually. Implementing a predictive maintenance program reduces this expensive problem in 2 primary ways: performing shutdown-required maintenance only as needed, and reducing unexpected failures as a result of pattern prediction and early fault detection. Predictive maintenance also increases employee productivity. Your employees will be more productive under a predictive maintenance model due to the ability to target their repair efforts. With more information available, they can make repairs quickly, use fewer components, conduct less troubleshooting, and stop relying on guesswork. Predictive maintenance also helps optimize equipment lifetime. It will help your assets stay operational longer without needing to replace or refurbish them. Lastly, predictive maintenance reduces maintenance costs. With decreased downtime, increased productivity, and long-lasting equipment, your maintenance team will enjoy much lower expenses. First, plan your program. Start with the end in mind. What types of failure do you want to prevent? What data sources will offer relevant information on the issues behind those failures? What types of sensors can capture that information? Next, install Internet of Things devices. For predictive maintenance in a manufacturing setting, this involves installing relevant sensors on your equipment. Then, plan system integrations. The information will be much more manageable and actionable when you integrate it into a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, or remote dashboard, where you can easily collect and analyze the data. Finally, schedule maintenance. One of the many benefits of system integrations is they can enable your CMMS to schedule inspections and repairs automatically when an asset surpasses its baseline limit. A haphazard, ill-informed maintenance program can hurt your bottom line, customer relationships, team member morale, and even workplace safety. A contemporary, well-developed predictive maintenance program that capitalizes on technology makes it easy to prevent these problems by capturing valuable data and making it accessible to act on effectively. When you're ready to optimize your asset maintenance and reliability, consider a cloud-based asset operations management and predictive maintenance solution like UpKeep. Our platform equips every maintenance, reliability, and operations team with the tools and information you need to run an efficient predictive maintenance program. With UpKeep's CMMS and predictive maintenance capabilities, you can improve your manufacturing maintenance management process, lower costs, ensure team safety, and gain data-backed insights to guide current and future projects. And that brings us to the end of our video. We've discussed the importance of a solid equipment maintenance program, the benefits of predictive maintenance, and how to implement it in your operations. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more content like this. For more information about UpKeep and our services, visit upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.